Baba na.
Hold your breath. See? Rajan, look at the road. It's nice. Wala pa rin pagbabago. Ganda pa rin. Wow. Look at that. It's amazing.
Runway escape. What?
Yeah, if you got lose your brake, bring your car there.
I thought that was 4 planes that were like.
Ate, use your phone and make it easy for your shorts.
And here it comes.
We up here.
Jin. I'm gonna push you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm joking.
And then we pass by the grocery store. We always pass by.
Did it! You missed.
What are we gonna buy at Walmart? Like more snacks?
Yeah, just go and take a look.
Or are we gonna look like the same?
It's the same.
So we go straight to the Hoodos, then come back to the bridge, okay?
We don't have farmers.
Huh?
We don't have vegetables.
Yeah, that's a new one.
So many.
So they build the water the
Yeah, they built the water.
shut up. They build the solar. Grabe, ate. You take a video to us sometimes. After you pass by the what's the town here? Small town? Rosedale. Rosedale town boy.
I'm driving.
You're weird.
I just do that to move the camera away.
Meron din palang ganito, brand dito. Ano mo?
Tagal na yan. Tsaka itong mga bahay dito bago. Going to Rocky Mountain. This bridge, this is where I always go there before. We'll see if there's somebody fishing today. But it's a weekday, so I don't think so.
Brett, meron sa. Kahit pala lote mo na.
Oh, there's a mini thing there. See, look at this small one, see? Check that part, too.
I need many stuff.
You got a video at it? No? Ang ganda. You been here before?
I think so. Looks the same.
Ayan guys. Grabe, dito tayo sa ano. Ang ganda ron, no? Ganda, oh. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng Udus, di ba? Nasaan si Roger? Ha? Uy! You're hiding there? Let's go, let's go. Be careful there. Get on there. Okay, let's go up there. Nasunog ka na. Oops. Okay, let's go up there. Let's go. See, look, Ate and Mama, they're already up there. Okay, you can go up or what? You're gonna be good? Okay, you go up. Okay, let's go. Easy to get up here. Let's get up. Grabe guys, ang taas. Oh, ganda. Okay, just go this way. Give me your hand. Be careful. Okay, we end up here. That's enough.
Let's go back down.
Whew. It's too high, man. Grabe guys, oh. Wala ko nakakit dito sa taas na to, ah. Wow.
Here we go.
Sumabot. Ganda rin guys, oh. Picture tayo apat.
I don't know, you pay on a website. I don't know.
Look at that.
Oh, there's someone even up there at the very top.
How the heck do they get up there? You can't even get up there.
They climb.
Mama said we're parking for 1 hour on the website, so we gotta go.
We don't have any hour yet. Oh, you sit down there. Take a picture.
Oh, Rojen. Rojen.
Grabe. Very nice, guys. Okay, we're going to the other side now.
Come here now.
See, look. You wanna go home now? It's hot na daw. Okay, let's go. Dito, mag-picture din tayo dun sa hagdan na yun. Kahit anong araw guys, daming namamasyal dito. Oh, di ba? Yeah, nice view there, boy. Where's the way to go down? Here? Wow, look at that.
We ain't finished studying that tone yet. You're gonna ace these recall knowledge checks.
Picture this way, ate. Oh. Ganda guys talaga. Yun. Ano kami ni ate guys. Diba? Ganda. Woo.
It's easier going up than going down.
Kudos guys. Wow, very nice guys. Grabe oh. Ate, picture mo ako dito. Diba? Doon. Grabe. Yun. Uwi na tayo guys. Tapos ng Hudus. Ito naman tayo sa bridge. Natin sa bridge. May sasakyan oh. It's nice out here, eh? Then get the side too. Ayun guys. Tayo sa ano? Saan kami nagtatang? Look. Yeah. Wow. Grabe, daming isda sa ilog na to. Oh. Ate. Hi. Hi, ate. Wow. Look at that bridge. People are putting padlocks. Why?
Sometimes swim in the river.
The red, yes, only the deer
Yeah.
that are red.
Very nice. Grabe guys. Whoa. Whoa. Ate, are you okay? Okay, so. Suspension bridge, Drumheller. Grabe oh. Yung mining dati. Yun. What? Are you alright, boy? Mama wants to go there. Before we can go up there, but we put the fence.
I felt like that whole time I had to clench my phone that was in my pocket in case it fell.
Oh yeah.
Because it fell out of my pocket before.
That happened to you before?
Yeah, I remember when we were with Julia. You wanted me to take a picture of you. I put my phone in my pocket,
Oh,
and then
okay.
it fell. That's why I have 11 cracks on my phone.
So we got one. How many are they?
There's 11. This is one.
So we have 10 more. Just go a little faster. Wow, what's that? Yeah, this one is still working?
Maybe.
Yeah. There might be fish here.
Buhay yung probinsya lang. At dapat ko mamanukan da. Kahit 10 lang, nangingitlog araw-araw. 10. For dosing. Ang laki nila ikote. At dati manukan na. Ori, winter.
Oh,
Ang manok na. Kasla kapay po raw. Ang 45 days na pinag-agree.
like Ote?
Ano yung nagblablag ng gargar din?
Oh,
Bulbulang.
this bridge is big one.
Nagtipik. Yun ang
Is that the port one, I think?
Yeah.
This is 6 kilometers. Oh, it's stuck for the upcoming. But we are here first, right? What's the bridge made for? Whoa.
Okay, that's 5.
This is what now?
6.
when you edit that ate, cut very long. You will post that too long. Just shoot.
Stop line there.
You can swim like that, boy. No need to change. Your shirt, your shirt. Yeah, you can wear your shirt, but no need. You have another shirt, diba? Or wala?
It's the big dinosaur.
Oh, there's a shade there now. It's good.
And also there's a food.
I can wait there for you there. Sana may picture yung pala tayo.
Also there's a school bus. Why is it here? It's not even school yet. Why is it here?
It's learning how to drive.
No, also
It's swimming around. Mas lagi ubing tatay di McDonald, yung lalaki, suro pa lang ajay.
Hmm.
Eh, agay ayap di manager nga, hindi ko kanya na. Tingnan mo.
and it's the dinosaur. Now you wanna
Oh, this guy is checking the ticket. Yeah.
They
So
have
you-
security
Oh,
people.
may bayaran na kasi ang ticket dito, tignan mo.
You must pay the ticket.
They added
Hindi na pala
security
libre.
guards to this parking lot.
It's not
Yeah.
free anymore, boy. You can park in the street, then we walk.
Oh.
Pa, you do it. Ay,
Saan ka
bayad kami
magpaparking
lagayo.
dyan?
Bayad kami lagayo.
Maybe let's wait for him to move out of
Hey.
here. Now we have to pay the parking.
Why?
Otherwise that guy's gonna give us a ticket.
Why are you moving? Ay, akala ko ayos.
Di ba bumangga yung gulong?
The security.
bayad na lahat. Income yun ng city nila.
Oh,
That car's so
oh, get the apps.
flex.
Parang ginawa mo kanina. Pay for 1 hour. Hindi matitikita.